here we are on the grid in Rome, this 3.3 kilometer street circuit, incredibly hot temperatures today, but an amazing qualifying performance from the team and both drivers. Mitch on pole position, Sam in P2, only our second ever lockout of the front row. It's going to be an incredibly challenging race, but we're looking forward to it from the front row, just trying to do our best job and maximise points.
As James Barkley looks on, 5 red lights about to come on, 25 laps of racing action here in Rome, lights out and we're underway. Good start from Mitch Evans on pole position, not bad. The two Jaguars leading the way, and look at the lead that now it is Sam Bird has managed to get over Mitch Evans. It's a Jaguar, it's Sam Bird! Sam Bird! The restart in this race when we get it back underway. Ready to go for the restart. Evans on the right, lights out, and we're racing. Jaguar TCS Racing telling Mitch Evans to push as hard as he can. At the moment he's responded with that with the fastest lap. Meanwhile it's just a couple of corners remaining here, and he comes through the final series of corners to make it his third win in a row. In Rome, across the line comes Mitch Evans to win for Jaguar TCS Racing.
So here we are at the end of an incredibly challenging race. Real disappointment when we had a big accident with Sam. Really fortunate though that he was okay. The restart though really was like a brand new race for us, and incredibly close on energy all the way to the end. Mitch and the team just delivered a phenomenal performance. Our 4th win here in Rome. Mitch is the Emperor of Rome. This puts our championship absolutely back on track. Super proud of all the team.